make known to me. Teach me your paths, guide me in your truth, and teach me. For you are God, my Savior, and for you I wait all the day. To you, O Lord, I lift my soul. Good and upright is the Lord, thus He shows sinners the way. He guides the humble to justice and teaches the humble His way. To you, O Lord, I lift my soul. All the paths of the Lord are kindness and constancy toward those who keep His covenant and His decrees. The friendship of the Lord is with those